pack with me to go on, I don't know, what the, come here, pack with me to go on a trip to South Carolina. Old reliable, just kidding. We're bringing out the bad boy. Had this one for years too. Don't mind how I'm dressing. I'm gonna go to the lake, you know, later, so I gotta look nice. I don't know. So we need everything, and also I don't know how long I'm going for, so we're gonna have to try and fit either as much as possible or not a lot of stuff, because I might be buying things. And knowing me, I'm going to be buying things. And I like to overpack, and then usually I don't even wear most of this stuff. So now I'm like trying to contemplate how I should do this, where I'm like, do I pack lightly and just buy stuff while I'm there? Which I've never done before. So I don't know. Ah! Oh. No, I'm just taking a picture of your hand. Hey, Mama. Hey, Mama. my goodness. So cool. Crazy.
Right up here, okay.
We're going in there. Is it safe? Stop. Subway.
To the pulpit if you want.
Yeah, it was awesome. I think I'm gonna get struck by lightning.
What trail? Huh? Ooh. What?
There was it, and then I just
To Niagara Falls, people like go over the fence.
we made it! Yay! Yay!